seen across the numbers that keep showing up in your life, and indeed many of you question why, and then you may have asked or you may have wondered. But I would say today in this series that we are starting here on angel numbers and a bit intuitive interpretation from my side, I'm going to share today about angel number 808. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani and welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show. Hope you all are indoors and staying safe and healthy. If you are joining us for the first time on this channel, I will say don't forget to give us some love here. The likes and the subscribe button is right there. Don't forget to hit that and the bell notification as well. What are angel numbers? Have you ever tried to keep the security alarm codes with something that you remember and something you don't want to share with others? That is the magic code. And in this digital age, you may have kept the codes pretty unique as well. And the same way, when you are stuck in life or there is something going on with you, you don't know who to ask, but you have been thinking about it. Believe it or not, in this trinity of soul, body, and spirit, you may have connected during meditation or just questioned yourself. But there is the bigger realm of universe, the spiritual world, the spirit that is listening to you. And in those response, you may see numbers, the repetition of the numbers, the repetitive numbers like 111 or 444 or 333 or 22 or 1111 or 888 or 808 or even 7777. It is when you see these repeated numbers, you may see in the car's license plate or at the bank card or in the receipts, or the minute you are looking at the clock, you see 707 or you see 404 or 1111. And next day again, when you're not thinking, you haven't planned, but the minute you look at you are drawn to 1111 or 808. So if you were drawn to, you saw it's 808, and next thing you notice, you are driving about, your bill comes 808, or you notice a friend talking about something and she mentioned 808. So the numbers, when they are coming your way in a certain repeated patterns, or you are drawn to, you are noticing them, that means these are the hidden codes divine is trying to communicate with you, and these are angel numbers. But why do we call it angel numbers? Because in this whole world, there is the invisible energy, the energy of vibrations where you connect. So it's something like we all use the Wi-Fi and internet, but it has the base station where it is transmitting those energies, the vibrations, that wherever you are, your gadgets are receiving it. Your inside inner being is that center, the core. Anytime you are sending those thoughts or questions, it is connecting with the central energy of the universe, the spirit, and it is responding back to you the answers via these repeated numbers. Now for you, you may not understand what is this 808, why is 707 or 1111 coming to your life again and again, what does it mean? Now 808 we are discussing in this episode today. If you have been noticing 808, then as I said, angel number is a code message. You may not understand, but it's like a piece of puzzle. There are many meanings of 808. You leave me in the comments and let me know what's going on in your life, if you have been noticing, and what part of this interpretation applies to you. Now 8 is a number of karma related to planet Saturn. 8 is the number of abundance. 8 is the number of money. 8 is the number of prosperity. 8 is the number of success as well. If you have been seeing 808, now 0 in itself is nothing. Nothing, no thing. But 0 is the source. 0 is like the hidden treasure of energies that's holding within itself. The minute it gets attached to any number, it drastically enhances its potency and the value. Same way, 8 is alone, but suddenly 808, it amplified its energy, and the 808, you have double 8s. So what 808 is trying to say is, whatever you are in your life is struggling, or you chose a new path, that is the path was your soul's calling and you are onto the right path. Or if you see the situations have become very difficult and you know things are about to end, don't feel bad, because this is what was meant to happen to you in this life. You may not see the benefits right now, but this learning, this experience is essential for you to evolve and for your soul as well. The purpose your life has in this birth is going to reveal itself to you after this journey, after this experience. But 808 also states the financial abundance is on your way, because you are in divine harmony. You are in alignment with your soul's purpose. And if you are not sure what decision to make, and if you saw 808, then you should trust that divine is telling you to go for it. The decision that you were fearful or you didn't know if it's the right decision, that means divine is telling you it's the right decision for you. You should go for it. Now, just because you saw the divine code message or the signal, you still have to do the work. You can't just expect that after taking the decision, you will pass the competitive exam, or you will get that job, or you will just win that Olympic. You have to put in those energies. Now, 8 is a karmic number, as I shared. It does bring delay. But when you see repeated patterns, 808, it's telling you, because of the work that you put in, you are in harmony with your soul's calling. Now the abundance and the fortune is on your way. It's highly intuitive, spiritual alignment, and the guidance from your angels. They are telling you, they are near you, they are there to support you. And you may see out of nowhere your friends will come to your rescue, or some unknown person, or things will resolve itself. You may think that you are alone, or you don't know how the situation is going to resolve. 808 also tells you that your angel, your divines have heard you. They are here to support you. You have to trust them. And the minute you ask, you will feel that goosebumps in your body. Really, that is so near to you that you were thinking, and right there is the solution. Right there, your angels are there for you. You have to trust, because these are invisible energies. You may not see them yet because you're not in alignment, but you will be able to experience them. You will see the signals by way of these repeated angel numbers, 808, that it's telling you you're onto the right path. The guidance that you were seeking, it's on its way. Someone or somewhere or through something, it's going to come and it's going to happen. You be ready for it, but you have to put the effort. So it's a positive sign when you have seen this. Now, if you do not know what does it mean, the best thing would be to write it on a notebook and again ask, thank you for showing me 808, but I don't know what does it mean. Now, you will again see someone will speak through you, or maybe you just bumped onto this video because you were seeking the answers. And so we are just a medium. We are just part of the bigger chain. We are connected. You may see this video, or you will pick up a book. On the page, it's 808. Anywhere you are drawn to this repeated numbers, trust 100% that the angels are near you. You're onto the right track. Now, however, if your birthday is on 8th, or the total birth number is 8, then its potency will increase drastically. Yes, in a positive way, because now if you're seeing 808 and if you had a birth number 8, chances are you have lived those karmic lessons or the struggles and the hardships. Now the karmic path is resolved, and divine is going to shower its abundance and blessings upon you, because 8 also brings struggles. Now repeated 808, if you add, gives you 7. 7 is an angel number as well. 7 is highly spiritual, intuitive number, the psychic number. Now this energy comes through 808. If you add, gives you 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. As I said, 7 is an angel number, so it's also guiding you that if you ask the solutions you were not sure, then your success will come in a bigger bank if you follow the careers of your passion or where your heart is telling you. Usually you can go into communication industry, teaching and healing, or occult sciences. You can teach and serve others as well. And as a result of being in alignment with your soul's purpose in this life, if you're following that path, abundance is going to follow you. Your life will be fulfilled. This series about angel numbers, this was the first part where I shared about 808. Share with me what other angels numbers have you seen, and what other angel numbers do you want me to share a bit more about you in the coming episodes. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification as well. Stay safe and stay indoors until next week. Take care.